This video will show you how to personalize your digital portfolio. The first way you can personalize and customize your portfolio is by selecting a template to work from. In this template gallery here, you can see all of the different options that Google Sites offers as a jumping off point for the structure of your site. One of the largest ways you can begin to customize your site is with this Themes tab on the right-hand side. Here you will find all of the different themes that come as presets for this site. Under each, there are 3 different fonts, and you can select any color of your choosing. Here are the suggested colors for any given theme, but you can also click this little dropper and customize the colors. Here are the different font styles you will have as an option for each theme. On any given site page, you will have the option to add sections. Here's a section right here. You can use these 3 predetermined backgrounds offered by the theme, or you can set an image as the background for a section. We'll look at how to insert images in a moment. There are several different variations of the font style that we've selected earlier. The standard, title, heading, subheading, and small. This tool allows you to have only one font on your website while still having it meet several different size and spatial needs. If you've selected a Google Site template, you might also see a structure template like this one here. This template is designed to give you an example of how uploading different items can look. Under this Insert tab, you can find other layout templates. These are great for automatic visual spacing and formatting. This template, for instance, lays out 3 different images with a heading and body text. To upload an image, click this plus button. You can import from Drive, select an image, or upload from your computer. If you choose Select an image, clicking Google Image Search here, it will open a completely copyright-free search engine for you. Say I wanted to insert a picture of a forest. By searching here, I know that any image I find is completely copyright-free and I can use it on my site without credit. If I were to do this exact image search in a different Google tab, I would have to make sure that I had the rights to use that image as well as cite it on my page. Now that I have my image in, I can add text according to the style pre-made by this template. You are more than welcome to upload your own photo from your computer or a photo you've downloaded from the internet. However, you need to make sure that you have permission to use that photo, that it doesn't include faces of people who are protected under HIPAA, and that you have people's expressed consent for using their image on your digital portfolio. You may also need to include their names in the caption accordingly. If I were uploading a photo like this from my personal life onto my digital portfolio, my caption might look something like this. For accessibility as well as cohesive storytelling on your site, it's important to caption your images so that they can make sense to anyone who might not know what's going on in that picture. I recommend that you include the names of people involved with their permission, as well as a caption of what is happening and why it relates to this page of your portfolio. One more accessibility feature to consider is alt text. When you click on a picture, you'll have the option to add alt text. What this does is creates a description for people using a screen reader or who otherwise might not be able to see this image so that they can know exactly what it is. If it's simply an image for decoration, go ahead and check this box down here. Under this Insert tab, you can find a bunch of different other creative options, such as collapsible text, which offers a drop-down showing your full text underneath, a table of contents to help people navigate your site. Each of these will be hyperlinks to another place on your portfolio, an image carousel, where you can insert multiple images and have someone flip through them like a slide deck, a button, which can take you to another page on your digital portfolio, or to an external link. This is a decorative way of helping someone navigate through your site. You can add dividers to break up sections. You can even add a YouTube video. You can move this around or resize it however you'd like, and someone scrolling through your site will be able to play the entire video from this page instead of having to open it in a new tab or click over to YouTube. You can also insert items like a calendar from your Google Calendar or a map as a visual aid. When you're finished customizing your site and you click the Publish button, you will see a before and after of all of the changes you've made to your site. This way you can proofread each small thing you've changed before publishing. When you're done, click the Publish button. Have fun and get creative customizing your portfolio.